What if I told you your microwave burrito bowl could taste 10x better with just a few tweaks? First, ditch the soggy tortilla wrap. Just layer your ingredients in a bowl and microwave for a crispier, more flavorful bite. Next, add a splash of water before microwaving to keep your rice from drying out. And here's the game changer. Sprinkle cheese on top after heating, then let it melt from the residual heat for perfect gooiness. Bonus tip: stir in a spoonful of salsa or hot sauce after microwaving to keep the flavors fresh and vibrant. Which hack are you trying first? Drop a comment and let me know.